My name is Leanne Hurley, and I created my model of a larynx by using a toilet paper roll for the base support of the structure. All of the cartilages and bone are made from foam board. The vocal folds are made from pipe cleaner, and the muscles are represented by rubber bands, ribbon, and cloth. Toothpicks were used to elevate the hyoid bone since none of the structures included in the model attach and stabilize the hyoid bone to the rest of the larynx. This is the trachea, cricoid cartilage, thyroid cartilage, hyoid bone, arytenoid cartilages, corniculate cartilages, vocal folds, and the epiglottis. All of the muscles that I will be going over are the intrinsic muscles of the larynx. This means that all of these muscles have their innervation and origin within the larynx. All of the muscles are innervated by the recurrent laryngeal nerve, except for the cricothyroid muscle, which is innervated by the superior laryngeal nerve. The cricothyroid muscle is represented by this orange rubber band and attaches to the front of the cricoid cartilage, to the horn of the thyroid cartilage. When it contracts, it pulls the thyroid cartilage anteriorly, which causes the vocal folds to increase in tension and increase in length. This increase in length and tension increases the pitch during voicing. The thyroarytenoid muscle is represented by the red ribbon and attaches to the thyroid cartilage and to the arytenoid cartilages, and forms the major mass of the vocal folds. When contracted, it pulls the thyroid and arytenoid cartilages closer together, shortening and increasing the mass of the vocal folds, which decreases the pitch during voicing. This movement may also contribute to vocal fold adduction. The posterior cricoarytenoid muscle is represented by the dark blue cloth, and it attaches to the back of the cricoid cartilage and to the bottom of the arytenoid cartilages. When this muscle contracts, they pull on the arytenoid cartilages, causing the vocal folds to lengthen and elevate, as well as abduct the vocal folds. This is the only muscle responsible for vocal fold abduction, which opens the airway and creates a gap in between the vocal folds, called the glottis, which allows the air to flow through. There are two interarytenoid muscles, the transverse interarytenoid muscle, represented by the pink ribbon, and the oblique interarytenoid muscles, represented by the white strings. Both of these muscles attach to each arytenoid cartilage, with the oblique interarytenoid muscles crossing over each other superiorly to the transverse interarytenoid muscle. When contracted, they pull in the arytenoid cartilages toward the midline, causing adduction of the vocal folds to stop the airflow. The lateral cricoarytenoid muscle is represented by this thin tan rubber band, and it attaches to the top of the cricocartilage near the front and to the posterior part of the arytenoid cartilages. When they contract, they pull on the arytenoid cartilages, causing the vocal folds to adduct and stop the airflow.